Virtual Learning, Literacy with Mrs. Bryant. We'll start your time together today with the read aloud from the copy of the book Resist by Alan Gratz that you have with you at home. Today we will read 3 chapters: Rupert, Be Brave, and Crash Landing. Pause the video and read these 3 chapters to yourself, and then resume the video to continue the lesson. We will continue the lesson with our mentor text. You will remember that our current mentor text is Mother and Daughter by Gary Soto. We finished reading the text yesterday, and today we are going to talk about the text Mother and Daughter and the plot diagram or story map for Mother and Daughter. Please take a moment to pause the video and draw this chart on one of the pages of your reader's notebook. When you have finished drawing, continue the video for what comes next. After you've drawn this chart in your notebook, you will see that there are several pieces that could be placed on the plot diagram in the exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution spots. Please copy these sentences from Mother and Daughter onto the correct spots in your reader's notebook on the plot diagram. For example, you will see that the second box on your screen says October, Yoli's house, and school. These are a time and places. You know from our study of the plot diagram that a time and places are part of the setting, and that setting is part of the exposition. So you will copy those pieces of information underneath number 1 on your plot diagram in your reader's notebook. And you will do this for each of the sentences that are on this screen. Please pause the video until you have all of the items written down in the correct spot on the plot diagram. We will finish class today with 15 minutes of free reading in your independent reading book. When you're finished reading, I would like you to write in your reader's notebook. Here's what I'd like you to include today. In your reader's notebook, answer the question, which character do you think is most like you and why? Write about it and use evidence from the text to support your ideas. Here are the sentence frames you need. In the book, put the title of the book you're reading. The character, write the name of the character, is most like me because, and tell me what the character does, says, or thinks in the book that makes you think they are most like you. For example, if I were using Mother and Daughter as my independent reading book, and I was going to complete this sentence frame, it might sound like this. In the book Mother and Daughter by Gary Soto, the character Yoli is most like me because she doesn't want to go to the dance with a dress that's not new. I really like to have a special outfit for unique events in my life, and I don't like to wear something that I've already worn to another event. That's why the character Yoli is most like me. You will be writing about a character in your book and how they are most like you.